Well, there we go, folks. That is a Hawker Hurricane up to now. There we go. It just needs painting. There's a lot of detail to go on it yet. Obviously, I've got a cover here and here, and same on that wing and that wing. Little bits of detail underneath. Obviously, I've got to do the canopy as well as. There are some clear parts that need to go on here and at the back, but obviously I need to paint it first. Now, I'm thinking of doing the daytime version now. The nighttime version, I think, is Revell number 6 tar, and I think I'm going off the idea. I've got my 148 scale up there and I've had a look at that, dusted it, and it looks brilliant. But there we go. And then once I've done the painting, I can enhance the panel lines with some wash. So I'll do that in the next video. I just basically wanted to get it all together today. Now, materials I'm using, to my extra thin cement. That's brilliant stuff. Let's see. There's obviously, where is it? There it is. The plastic putty. The only gaps that I've come across were here, where the fuselage meets with the wing on both sides. Just at the front, just, I don't know, about 20 millimeters, something like that. Is it about 20 mil? Maybe 10 mil. But yeah, just a thin layer of putty in. I think you can actually see it. You should be able to on the yeah, there we go. You can see it on the top there in front of the gun sight as well. That's where, when I took it off the sprue, it yeah, there you go, on both sides. Yeah, it didn't particularly like it. It took a little chunk out, but everything looks perfectly good. I think it's always best to use that thin cement, extra thin cement, when you've not put paint on it. Obviously, I painted in here all aluminium. It was difficult to get at times, so that's why I did that and then popped it into place. But yeah, it'll look fantastic. I don't think I'll be putting a primer on it. Never normally have to do with these, with any plastic planes, to be honest. If anything, you just put more paint on it. But I will be putting let's see, is it a satin varnish? Well, I'll be putting a varnish finish on it anyway. But yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. Loving it. Nice size as well, that, isn't it? Yeah, they go perfect with the other two. Brilliant stuff. Let's see, any other bits and bobs that I've used. Just a matter of using these sanding sticks as well. See, I cut these down as well to an appropriate size so you can get at them. Because every time you take something off a sprue, there you go, it always leaves a little bit on, so I just had to cut one down. I think this was this is grade 600/600. Yeah, that's good enough for this. It doesn't take too much off, and obviously as well, if you've got excess plastic and you've got holes and you haven't got any plastic putty to mix, get a mix, you can use, I think, Tamiya thin cement, and then off one of the sprues, so this one, because this one's useless now, actually rub it, take a lot off, a lot of the flakes off, and then you can make a paste with it. I've seen it done on YouTube. I've not done it myself, but when I have been rubbing things down and I've already popped some glue on it, I leave the actual residue, the dust on it, and it blends in. Looks great. It gets rid of them lines, them ugly lines that you don't want off everything. But yeah, she's looking hunky dory. There we go. Take it away from the light. Let me knock that light off. There you go. That's a bit better. Yeah, she's looking alright. Good stuff. This is a new camera, this. I'm not got used to it quite yet, so I don't know whether the settings are perfectly good. But anyway, that's beside the point. So I'll do one more video of this. I will be airbrushing it as well, so I'll show you that part, because I can actually do that on my desk. You saw me do that with the interior of the cockpit, so I'll be doing that. Sky underneath, and then dark earth and dark green on top. Yeah, and then we'll varnish it. I'll put the decals on, and then we'll enhance these panel lines with some wash. That looks super duper. Excellent stuff. There we go. So anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up. And if I don't see you before Christmas, have a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.